Today we are going to use warm and cool colors to create an optical illusion coloring challenge. So for this project you will need paper, markers, a pencil, and your hand. Step 1 is to completely cover your paper in shapes, patterns, and lines. Make sure that you have some of your shapes and lines that go directly off the page, and if there are any shapes that are really big, break them down into smaller shapes. The next step is to place your hand on the paper and carefully trace around it. Now for the coloring challenge. Separate your markers into warm colors and cool colors. Using either group, but only one group, color inside the hand. Make sure you color every little shape and line inside the hand using your warm or cool colors. After the hand is completely covered, you will color the background using either the warm or cool colors, whichever one you did not use for the hand. Once you have completely covered the background, take a step back and look at your amazing drawing.